NTS. Okay. Okay. Today's class, what we will do, we will try to go through some sample projects so that you will better understand what is actually happening in the code. Okay. So, if you see this project, this is the thing which is getting loaded. Okay. You are able to see, right? Adidas, Ultra Boost, Skyu. Am I correct?
Yes, Anush.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, how the application starts? Can you tell me how the application starts and what is loading here in the first in the component? Which page is getting rendered and all?
We have to create a folder and files.
Do we need to create any? It is already existing project, Teja. Okay. Now I am telling to debug this project, stating this is the content, it is visible to you right now. Okay. What is the starting component here which is getting rendered in this web page? Did you get my question?
Yes, Anush.
Yeah. How we will know? From the day when I was telling, right, how an Angular application starts.
Angular.js
Okay, and then
main.
okay, and then
Boots.
okay. Proceed.
In the app component.
App component is the starting component. 1 second. Yeah. Now tell me which is the starting component?
App component.
App component is the starting component. So which HTML will get loaded in the browser first?
App.component.html.
HTML. Okay. Now what you are seeing in this app.component.html?
Product list is products.
What is this?
Div.
Okay. Div, for this div, we have applied one class. What is this class is used for what purpose?
Inventory.
So you are given inventory app, right? This is used for what purpose? What purpose we will give classes and IDs for an HTML element? For what purpose we will give? Just say something.
We have created buttons, whatever, name, page.
I was asking the question like for what purpose we have created this class? What is the usage of this class?
Inventory app.
What is the usage of it?
To give a variable to that.
If we are giving any keyword like class or ID, which means that we want to apply some CSS. You forgot the CSS completely. If you want to apply any CSS, we will be using these classes. Okay. You will be giving like dot
Okay,
the class name and you will be giving some styles. Am I correct? For this purpose,
yes, Anush.
what? You will be creating classes and IDs. Are you people getting it or not? In the first class of CSS itself, we told, right? We will give the classes. We will access with dot class name. Yes or no? I am actually having here. Still, I am teaching the classes, and you people doesn't even have that concern, and you are not responding. Then next, what is there? Apart from the div,
Product list.
product list. It is an inbuilt HTML tag or custom tag. What
Is it inbuilt?
is there any inbuilt tag called product list? In the HTML, did you learn there is an inbuilt tag like product
No,
list?
no, no. No.
Then it is a inbuilt or custom built.
Custom built.
Custom. Where it is related to any other component or what?
Subject type.
It is related to any other component or not? And what practicing you people are doing every day? What practicing you people are doing every day? What is the use of teaching? What is the use of recording? If you are not able to tell a simple term, then what is the use of it? This is custom HTML tag.
Yes.
Where it will be available? How will you tell? How many components were available in this folder here?
App folder and the
App
product.
App component is one
Product.
component, and then what you are seeing?
App dot
Apart
HTML
from
and
app
JS.
component, what are there?
Product
There
list.
are
Product list
App
and
dot.
product row.
product list and product row. Now tell me whether these are components or what?
These are components and
Components. Then the product is related to what?
component.
It is one other component. Am I correct? Which means that we are
Yes.
loading the HTML of this page in the app component. Are you getting it?
Yes, Anush.
No? What is the selector of this product list?
Product list.
Product list. This selector you have directly used in the app component.html. Then what is this line meaning?
We are assigning that products to product list.
Where will I find these products? In which file we have these products? Where do we need to check?
App component dot
App component.ts. You are seeing this
TS.
variable, right? Products. And what
Yes,
is
Anush.
the type of this product?
product type product.
Product type or it's a product array?
Array.
Product array. And what it is called as interface, am I correct? So they are using some constructor, okay? So they have given, right, export class product and they have given it as constructor. What are the keys that are present in this constructor?
Name, image URL, department, price.
SKU.
SKU,
Name, image URL,
name,
department
image,
price.
department and price. Okay, suppose if you want to create a new product, since it is a class, you will use one keyword called new and you will assign some values so that that values will be automatically initialized for the sky, name, image, URL, department and price. That is the use of constructor. Constructor is used for the initialization purposes. Okay, and if you see what are the values you are using here, you see it's an array. And inside the array, you are passing one thing called new product of, which means that A01 will be assigned to SKU. Okay. And then next will be assigned to whatever it is there. Adidas Ultra Boost will be assigned to name. Okay. And then URL will be assigned to again to the URL. Okay. Are you getting it? Image URL. And then what is there next? Array of strings, right?
Yes, Anusha.
Array of string is assigned to what?
Department.
Department. Okay. And then number is assigned to which variable?
Price.
Price. Okay. Which means this means that what you are doing, what do you mean by this line?
We are assigning products to product list.
Okay. And by assigning what we are doing? We are assigning, okay. With this assignment, what we are achieving? You are passing the data to product list component. Am I correct?
Yes, Anusha.
Whether this product list will be contained in the product list component? Yes or no?
Yes, Anusha.
Okay. What is the app component called here? Parent component or child component?
Parent component.
What is the child component here? If the app component is the
Product list.
product list
Product
is the child component. And what data you are passing to the product list?
products.
Products. Okay. Suppose if you want to use this product list in your child component, with which decorator you will declare it?
Repeat again, Anusha. What?
At the rate of input, at the rate of input decorator.
Yeah. If you want to access this product list in your product list component, which decorator you will be using? That is what I asked.
Okay. It's input, at the rate of input count.
Okay. And we can see something called as on product selected. Am I correct? It is a custom event or inbuilt event? It is a custom event.
Custom event.
What are the examples of inbuilt events?
Uppercase.
Uppercase.
Lowercase.
Events. Events as
Events.
not types. Events. Press,
Okay.
key press, key down, click. These are called as events. Okay. This on product list is a what? Anything given in the square brackets are called as event.
Click.
Not click event. Anything given in the braces is called as an event. Okay.
Event.
What click is an event. Key press is an event. Key press down is an event. Okay. Entering is an event. Blur is an event. Likewise, we have created one custom event called, what is its name?
On product.
On product.
Okay. Now we will go to this product list component.html. Okay. What is there here?
NG for loop.
Tell me from line number 1 itself. Okay. I want you people to understand.
Ordered list. Unordered list items.
Where you are seeing the UL tag here? Why are you telling it's an unordered list? What tag you are seeing here?
Div tag.
Product.
Div tag.
Div tag you are seeing. Is it related to unordered list and all? What does this div contain?
Class.
Class.
What is the usage of class?
To do any CSS styling.
Add CSS. How many classes are there here?
Use it for ID purpose.
How many classes are there here?
Only one class is there.
What is this space is used for then? To separate the classes, we use space, right? I taught you all these things. Then why you are still not able to tell even a simple class? How you are gonna survive? How many classes are there here?
2 class.
Now?
1.
Now?
1.
1. Why? Because we haven't separated it with space. If you are giving a space, which means that we are applying a new class. Then what is there? Then inside div, what is there?
Product row.
Okay, what is a product row? Custom or inbuilt? Jansi. It's a custom or inbuilt?
I think it's a custom.
Custom. Why you are getting doubt for that? To which component it is related to?
Product.
Product list.
Product list component. Whether this product row is related to product list component. To which component it is related to? How you will select to which component it is related? Just talk something. Okay then, bye. Take care. How many times?
Child component.
How many times I should shout? I told I have a fever and still I am telling the
Anusha,
class.
there is a disturbance. Voices are coming. A lot of a mixed talk. I don't understand that.
Now is it clear? You should
Yeah.
tell me that, right? If you are not telling anything and if I am shouting here like a hell, what should I do? Jansi, can you mute yourself? Yeah. Now tell me, which component is related to the product row here?
Is it a child component?
Array. For product list, what you said, it is related to product list component. Am I correct? Now tell me which component is related for this product row. Where do you find it?
Product row.
Product row component, right? Why are you confused? If you go to the selector, what is here?
Product row.
That is what that is being used in the product list. This is what it is used. And whether this product row will be repeated. What is this?
It was open and closed. I think it won't repeat. Let P of product list. Let P of product list.
What is the use of star ng for here?
Loop.
Okay, looping over what?
Array.
And what is this line?
Product.
We are assigning
Product.
P for product.
Okay, which means that what is the meaning? Are we sending any data to product row?
Yes, Anushka.
How can we access it in the product row using what?
Component.
How can we access this product in the product row component.ts file?
We are assigned that to P. We assigned that
What is the P here?
product.
Each product in the product list. Am I correct? And the each product P we are assigning to product. Okay. And what is this meaning? We are passing that product to product row component. Am I correct?
Yes, Anusha.
Yeah. How can you access this product in the product row component? How can you access it? I'm getting very irritated. Okay. You are telling at one point and you are not able to tell at another point the same thing. Why it is happening so? Here what you told? In case of app component, what you told? We are sending products to product list. Am I correct? How you are accessing this product list,
Yes.
product list component? Using at the rate of input decorator, right?
Yes, sir.
Then why are you not replying? And how you will access this product in the product row component?
At the rate of input decorator.
At the rate input decorator, then what will be there next? Next, at the rate of input, just if you say, if you write at the rate of input, we will be able to access this variable.
We have to give a variable name.
What will be the variable name here?
Product.
Product.
Products.
Why products? What is the name you have given here?
Product. It's product.
You are saying, right? At the rate of input decorator product. Any doubt till now?
No doubt.
Now what is this?
Click.
Even
Okay.
We're assigning that click.
We have created one click event. Okay. Whenever this product row is clicked, what will happen?
We will do invocation, function invocation.
Okay. What is the function which is being invoked here? Click. Are we passing any arguments for this function?
No.
No.
I
What,
on product list.
what is this P?
product list.
Product.
Correct.
Each product in the product list. Now tell me, are we passing this product list to do this function or not? Are we passing it or not? Yes, right?
Yes, sir.
Anushka, background noise trigger your voice.
This is not from end. From your people end only that background noise is coming from.
Yes, Anush.
So you remember, right? Normal JavaScript function. If you want to pass any parameters, how you will do? Arguments. You will pass here, right? P dot A dot C. How many arguments are passed here?
C.
Sorry? How many arguments are passed here to this function? Just stop, please.
Right now it's 3.
3.
Yes, Anush.
Now,
Now
how many
it's 1.
arguments are passed?
1.
1. What is that argument?
P.
So you are invoking this function, which means that the function declaration should be available, right? Where will be this function declaration? Where should I check?
.ts file.
Which .ts file?
Product list component.ts file.
Product list component.ts file. Okay. You will contain this method called clicked. Any doubt?
No, Anush.
And what is the param it is receiving? What is the param this clicked method is receiving? Are we passing any argument here? Yes or no?
Yes.
We passed P.
Yes.
And what we are receiving here?
P.
Sorry? Product we are receiving. Am I correct? What is the type
Yes,
of this product?
Function.
What is the type of the product? What is the type of the product here?
Function.
Why function, Teja? What is written here? Colon with product. What is the type of the product here? What is the type of current product here? What is the data type?
Product.
Now, what is the type of the product here?
Product.
Why are you getting confused? What is the return type of this method? What is the return type of this method?
Void.
Void. How you are telling it's void?
I can see that.
Yeah, here you are seeing colon with void, which means that this function is not returning anything. What is happening inside this product? What is happening inside this clicked method?
Emit method.
Assign that product to the current product. This
They assigned product to the current product variable. Am I correct?
Yes,
or
Anush.
no? Okay. Then what happening? Then what is happening?
It emits.
Emit. Okay. Why we are doing? What we are going to achieve by doing the emitting here? For what purpose we are emitting here? For what purpose you are emitting?
Emit function.
I told you to practice the communications, right? Passing data from parent to child, child to parent. Did you do that?
Yes, Anusha.
Then what is the
I
purpose
think
of
it's
this?
because of event happened there.
I said what you are seeing here. You saw this dot on product selected dot emit of some data. Am I correct? Whenever you see this emit on a variable, what you need to check? You need to check these things, right? What is the purpose of this statement?
Parent data to child data.
Child to parent.
Child to parent we are sending. Okay. That is why you have used the on product selected where here you are using, right? Am I correct? Yes or no?
Tanisha.
And whenever we clicked on this product row, it is emitting some product to our app component. And which method is getting invoked here?
The product was selected.
Product was selected. And what is this dollar event?
It's an event, dollar event.
What exactly it refers to? What we are
It's an
doing here,
event name.
what we are doing here, we are passing data from where to where?
Child to parent.
Child to
Child to
parent.
parent. That data is accessed using what?
Dollar event.
Dollar.
Where will you find this method? Product was selected.
App component.ts.
App component.ts. Okay. What we are doing? What
It's
is the
returning.
what is the parameter here? This method is taking. What is the parameter? What is the parameter for this function? Function param. Hello. What is the type of this hello?
Product.
What is the return type of this method?
Void.
Void.
What is happening in this function?
Product. Hello.
Product clicked and product we are displaying. Any doubt so far till now? Any doubt so far?
No.
And what is this? Okay, you will not be understanding since I haven't covered. We are adding one class called selected. Okay, and it is invoking this function, is selected function. And this function, where you will find it?
Dot.
.ts. What is happening here? What is the parameter this function is taking? What are the params in this function?
It should be an
What is the param in this function? Product. What is the type of the product?
Boolean.
Product.
Product. What is the return type of this function?
Boolean.
Boolean.
Boolean. Okay, what is happening here?
The if statement.
Okay, what is there in the if statement?
Product done.
What is this symbol?
Not equal to.
Not. Okay, and what is the meaning of this?
It's not product.
Not of product. If the product is not there, or what is this?
Current product is this dot current
Product is not there, and the or if the current product is not there, what we are returning?
false.
False. And what is this return statement? What it will return? What data type it will return?
Current.
Boolean type.
Boolean type. Okay. Now what is this statement?
It will return the current product.
No. You are telling that it is returning Boolean. Then why you are telling it's current proper? What is triple equal to used for?
Okay, comparison.
Comparison. Now what we are comparing?
Product.
Product.sk
Correct.
unto current product.sk.
If both are if they are equal, what is returned?
True,
If they are not equal,
false.
false will be returned. Any doubt till now? Any doubt till
No,
now?
Anusha.
No.
Now, what is present in the product row component.html? What is there at the first? What is there at line number 1?
Div,
Okay. What is there in the div?
class,
Class. What is the class name?
content.
Content. For what purpose we are using this class? For what purpose we are using it?
For CSS purpose.
CSS purpose. Okay. And what is there inside this div?
Where Anusha?
What is there inside this div? Inside this div, what are the next lines?
Image class.
Image.
We have
The width of the image.
img is used for image. Okay. Image. For creating the image, we use the image tag. And what is this?
Product image.
Product
class.
image.
Sorry, what is this? Product image is the class that is being applied on the image. And if you see, there is some CSS written. Are you able to see? Display inline block something.
Yes.
Okay. Now let me go to back. What is this?
Width.
Width. And what is its value?
200.
200.
Which means that image width should be 200 pixels. Okay. And what is this?
Source file.
Yes, sir.
See, equal to what is there inside?
Function.image URL.
Product.image URL. And where is the product? Where it will be available? Product?
.ts file.
.ts file. Very good. Okay. In .ts file, you can check it. In TS, inside in the product, we have image URL that we are assigning. Suppose if I remove these braces, now what will be assigned to this SRC?
Product image.
Product image. You mean to say image URL from this product will be assigned, or it will be assigned with anything else?
No, the image.
I said image URL from the product will be assigned, or whether this string will be assigned.
String will be assigned.
String will be assigned. Okay. If you want to assign it with exact value, right? Either you need to give the square braces like this, or what you need to do, you need to follow the string interpolation. Okay. For that purpose, they gave this double curly braces. Understood? Suppose if we don't give this curly braces, what is the URL it will take? Product.image URL string will get directly assigned to the SRC. Okay. And what is there next?
We're assigning product name to header.
Product name to header. What is this double curly braces is called as?
String
String
interpolation.
interpolation.
You have created one div and it has the class called header, and inside this div what we are giving? We are giving the product name.
Product name.
That's it. Okay. I will just show you everything visually after this. Okay. Now what is there again?
Div.
Div, okay, and then
Meta.
Class meta.
okay, and then
Div class product SKU.
what is this used for?
SKU.
For writing CSS, okay.
Product.
What is this thing?
Yes. String interpolation.
Whether this is also string interpolation? Yes.
No, no.
No. We just giving the we just give some text, and why we are using the string interpolation. Why we are using the string interpolation? We could have directly given like this now. Why we are doing the double curly braces and all?
To give an exact information.
Yeah, if we give without braces, what will happen? In the HTML, it will show, okay, skew hash. Let me show you. Let me save it. I don't know why it was not working. If you are not giving the product uh, interpolation, right, it will display like skew hash product dot sku. If you are giving the interpolation, what it will display? It will display skew hash, and whatever the skew value is there in the product, that value will get displayed. For example, like this hash A10. Okay. Otherwise, what will be shown? SKU hash product dot SKU will be shown if you are not giving the double curly braces. Okay. Now, what is next? What is next?
Div class
Div.
description.
Okay. And then
Span star and for.
okay, which means that this span will be repeated for this array. Am I correct? The product
Yes,
dot
Anush.
department is a string array. Okay. If you can see here, department is a string array. Okay. And let us go to product dot row. Okay. Now tell me what is happening. Let I equal to index. What is the initial index value here? What is the any initial value for an array? Array, what is the initial index value of an array?
I.
I'm asking number. Tell me the number. What is the initial value?
Index initial 0.
0, right? Now,
Undefined.
initially, what is the value it will get assigned?
0.
0 will get assigned to I. Why? The array index will start from 0. Now, what is the meaning of this?
We are giving a link for that.
Reference.
We are creating one link. What is the link URL here? What is the link URL here?
Name.
Where will you give the link URL? What is this?
.ts file.
Href.
What is href is used?
.css.
What href is used for?
Reference
To
purpose.
provide link.
To provide the
Link.
link, we use href. What is the link URL we have given here? What is the value of link we have given?
Hash.
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 Which means that it doesn't load anywhere. Okay. You are seeing, right? Your hash is getting appended, but still it didn't redirect to any page. Am I correct? Because
Yes, Anush.
hash is not a proper link. Okay. And what is the name here? Whatever is there from this product dot department, that each name is getting displayed here. For example, men shoes, running shoes, men shoes, running shoes. Okay. And what is this?
Spam I
Span. Okay. And then what is this?
I less than in
product
product
dot
dash
department dot line -1.
What is the meaning of this? Is it a condition or anything?
It's a condition.
It's a condition.
yes,
How
Anusha,
you are
it is a
what is this question mark used for? What is it called as?
ternary operator.
Ternary operator. Very good. Suppose if this expression evaluates to true, then what will happen? If it evaluates to true, then what will happen?
Product
will
the
be
price will be displayed.
If it evaluates to true, what is there after question mark? What is there after ternary operator?
String will be there.
Less than or greater than symbol. This symbol is there, am I correct? If it evaluates to true, this symbol will get displayed in the HTML. Otherwise, we are returning what?
String.
Empty string.
Empty
Okay.
string.
If we are seeing here, see, you are seeing this, right? This symbol, are you able to see it or not? So for showing
yes,
this
Anusha.
symbol, we are using this condition. Are you finding this symbol at the end of the array?
No.
No, that is the reason you have given this condition. If its length is less than I, then only we are displaying, otherwise we are returning empty string. Then what is there in the next line?
Price.
Price. And then what is displayed here?
Product dash
price.
price.
If you can see here, price, what is the thing you are, how much you are saying?
260.
260.
You are able to understand, right, what is happening in this entire thing? Are you able to?
Yes, Anusha. Yeah.
Did you gain any knowledge today out of this project?
Yeah.
Okay. And let me show you some more interesting things as well. If you go to more tools here, developer tools here, okay. And now what you can see, you can just hover on this. Okay. Now you see something here. So inventory app, the application name. Okay. In this you are seeing, right, the divs. Product list. And even if you expand it, you are seeing this class, right? UI items which you have seen before. And what is there inside? You have product row. And even if you expand this, you will get to see all the stuff here. You have one image. That's why here image is selected. Okay. And you have one header. Okay. And that's why if you select header, header is being highlighted, you see. And you contain something called meta. You are seeing it, right? And you see you products queue, you have given it, right, like hash, something like that, that is being shown. And next you see there is something called description. Okay. And inside description, what you have anchor links, right? Since this is repeated, okay, you will see product row as 2 times. Am I correct? Why you have used star ng for? Am I correct? Yes or no?
Yes, Anusha.
You are seeing here, right? Star ng for. Since 2 items are there in product list, that's why we are showing this loop will be iterated for how many times?
2 times.
2 times. That's why you are seeing product row here and product row here. Got it? Suppose if there were 3 product list, then how many times you will see the product row here?
3 times.
3 times. Okay. Any doubts? Anyone till now?
No,
No, ma'am.
Yeah. So take this project and debug by your own once, okay? And learn from this. Practice it, okay? And suppose
Okay,
if you are
Anusha.
not finding it, what you can type product list example in the Angular you can take, and this will be the first one displayed. Okay. Any doubts,
Okay.
anyone?
Okay, Anusha.
Any doubt you ask me now itself, okay? If your people are telling you are understanding, but in reality you are not able to tell what it is, which means that either you are lacking the practice or you are forgetting the things. If you are not practicing, how will you remember? Okay, nobody will do a spoon feed, okay, after you go to the company. You need to learn everything, you need to debug everything by yourself. Got it? What is the
Yes,
selector
Anusha.
name for this app component?
Inventory app.
Inventory
Yeah.
app.
Why you are seeing the inventory app? Okay. And if you are seeing product list, product row. Okay. Just learn these things. If I am getting angry, which means that you people are not practicing, that's why I'm feeling angry every day. If we are practicing and if you are able to tell me why I will be angry. Hmm? So learn and come back for the tomorrow's class. Okay. I will ask this thing every day tomorrow again. You need to people tell me how it's happening. Okay. Any doubts?
No, Anusha.
Okay. Practice this and come back. Even in this sharing data from parent component to child component is covered, and from child component to parent component is covered. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, Anusha.
Bye.
Thank you, Anusha. Take care. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Thank you.